Hello mga guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my channel, Liz Wari-Wari. Ayan po ang Barangay Hiyaan. Ayan, ang saya-saya nila maglipa yun. Ayan, nakikirisyo damo.
Yes, our newly elected officials, so please build stage. So pag-aabot ko, diri ka mo maisakto nga ni stage. So pwede ka mo dito na lang ha, center. Kita atong covered court. Okay. Once your name is called, please stand. For the barangay officials, we have Honorable Silvano Maling Bitanso Jr., our newly elected barangay captain.
Nirmana Annamuna
Unang misa, puro 4. Pa-picture lang daya apa video.
Before we go on,